morning and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Ashley and I run 2 Etsy embroidery shops. So here on my channel I talk all about Etsy, embroidery, and applique, and running your own small business from home. So today I'm going to bring you guys along and show you some recent hauls that I have. I've been just piling stuff up for like a couple weeks. Some of this is actually from Prime Day even, and I just haven't had a chance to open it, play around with it. So I'm excited to show you guys some new supplies as well as some restocking supplies that I have in. I know you guys are always interested in what supplies I use on a regular basis. So today I have some shipping supplies that I just received in. So HoopMama.com has a ton of different things. She used to sell just embroidery designs, and then it was like she added SVGs and printable sublimation type designs. In the past couple years she's added screen print transfers, and then also different things like stickers, packaging stickers, vinyl backdrops. She just has like all the different things. So she is pretty awesome. Go check out her website down below. I will include my affiliate link down below if you'd like to use that. She does also have a program called the it's like a bestie program. I don't think that's what it's called anymore. Like a VIP program. And she opens the doors to a couple times a year. They're not open right now, but if you're looking for a good business-minded, paid business-minded group, that's a great one to be involved in. So let's see. These actually look like a freebie she's included. It says t-shirt care instructions. And it's just a little package of little t-shirt care instructions you can include with your orders. I didn't order those. Those are freebies. She often throws in freebies. And then she also usually includes some little like card, a little candy or a little extra that has discount codes on it. She always includes a sheet with all her instructions, and then down here at the bottom it asks if you're a bestie. So that's the program, the business program I was mentioning. So here's a couple things that I mentioned that I bought. These are little stickers. I bought some matte ones and some gloss ones to try both out. These are little Handmade in the USA stickers. I'm going to put either on the invoices or just the outside of the packaging. I got the sampler for fall and Halloween ones. These I really like. These are glossy. It just says, "Thank you for supporting my dreams." I got a couple pages of those. And then I also bought some screen print transfers. And I don't use a lot of those. I haven't in the past. I've kind of offered them in my shop here and there and never really sold any. But I think I'm going to try that again this summer and fall. So I've got a couple. This one, you can kind of see the design. It's grow through what you go through. And then just multiple others that are just little different sayings. I like the motivational type ones myself. And then let's see, we have some that are those are regular screen print transfers, and then she also has premium screen print transfers. So this one says Sassy Saurus. When you press these premium ones, they're at a higher heat, and they are so nice. There's almost no like feel or hand on the front of the shirt. I absolutely love those high heat premium ones. And then looks like I have a couple more stickers. It's a 5-star review one. I thought these would be good for like my kids' shirt orders. Nice, bright, and cute. And then another one of the Halloween ones. So these are all super cute. Great way to dress up your packaging. And then she also included a freebie, just screen print transfer as well. It says, "Warning, girls trip in progress." So like I said, you almost always get a few little freebies in there in her order. And she also does screen print transfer boxes of the month clubs. And those are amazing. I've signed up for those multiple times. I just need to really start adding those to my shop and marketing those a little bit better. So first up that I just received in is a restock of AJ blanks. I normally use ARB blanks, but I've been using AJ blanks quite a bit, in conjunction with ARB now, just as what's in stock, and sometimes I need things faster, and I know they can get them to me much faster. I've also, after ordering a couple for my own little girl, I've decided to start stocking their princess trim Ruffle bodysuits. I'm going to be adding those as an option in my shop here soon. I ordered just 6 to 12 and 12 to 18 months, since those are the most popular with birthday sizes. And then I also did a restock on just boys 2 t-shirts. I had accidentally let myself run out, and I didn't realize it, so I paid for 2-day shipping. I'm so thankful ARB has that option, so I can get my blanks in fast for when I forget to order things in advance. So the next thing I have was from Amazon Prime Day, and I don't know that this was like a Prime Day deal really, but I went ahead and ordered it then. I'd had it sitting in my cart for a while. These are t-shirt alignment rulers. They're real flexible, and it comes with, I think, a set of 4 or 5, just for different size shirts. So these will be nice to use on my heat press if I'm doing like vinyl, sublimation, things like that, just to kind of give a quick center reference, and then a ruler on each side. So I'm excited to use these. These were not very expensive, definitely under $10. So next up, I have some more Amazon stuff. I'm going to be honest, I don't even remember 100% what all I bought. All right. So I do have a sublimation printer. I've mentioned that multiple times before, and I just don't utilize it to the best that I should. So I'm really trying to push this summer to get things listed in my shop that are sublimation. And one of the things I'm going to do is test out some different paper. I've been using text print and a sub, and I don't have a problem with either of those, but I've heard that this printer's jack paper is really good, so I'm going to give it a try. I might print something off on like the exact same thing on both papers and press and see if there's any difference, but I went ahead and picked this up while I was shopping as well. Next up is this cute little mini iron press. So I've been wanting a Cricut Easy Press or just a small iron to iron things in the hoop versus using my big full-size iron. It works okay on the bigger hoops, like the 8x9 Mighty hoops, but you have to be careful not to hit the plastic or it does kind of melt a little bit. So I was looking at the Easy Press by Cricut, but it's kind of expensive. It's like $50. And I know you can buy cheaper, just mini irons, but I liked the little compact size of this little guy. I did pay extra like $2 to get the little cow one. I just thought it was cute. But these were well under $30. They were like around $25 on Prime Day. I'm not sure what they run normally. But again, it had been in my cart for a while, so I did go ahead and snag that on Prime Day. So next I have some fabric. I don't buy a lot of fabric at Walmart, but I know that they've been really great about carrying pre-cut fabrics lately, and it's actually a decent quality. It's not quite quilt shop quality, but it is pretty good. It's in line with like Hobby Lobby or Joann's in my opinion. So I do a lot of classier shirts every year, and I like to just have a variety of solid colors for them to pick from. So I did restock on some of my popular colors that I knew I would use. I have the basics like red, black, white, silver already in stock. So I grabbed these as well as a royal blue that I've already had to use for a classier shirt. And then recently when I had to run into Joann's for just a specific item, I also picked up a couple new fabrics there. I found this fabric. I just thought it was bright, fun. Excuse me. Hoping maybe like an art splatter with like a paintbrush and paint palette. I don't know. That would be kind of cool. It'd be kind of nice, cute as just a number applique as well with a name, and be able to offer that a little cheaper. And then I found this little like space or galaxy one. I tried to pick one that was a little bit gender neutral. Some of them had like a lot of sparkle, and I wanted something I could offer like a boys outer space or rocket ship type design with. This has just a teeny tiny little bit of sparkle. I'm hoping it'll be okay though on either gender shirts. So next up is some packaging supplies from HoopMama. The next 2 boxes that I have here for you are restock items for me. I buy as much of my shipping supplies in bulk as I can, and I buy them from Pack and Ship, and I'll include that down below for you guys. This is actually the first time I've ordered their tape. As you can see, I've already stole one out of there because I was out. But I ordered their packaging tape. It seems to work pretty well. And it seemed to be a lot cheaper than buying it, you know, individually in the store. I also buy my thermal labels for by Dymo from Pack and Ship. I bought, let's see, 6 of those this time. And then the other really heavy box is my packaging bags. So I bought, I believe, 1,000 of these. These are 13 by 19, somewhere around that range. I'll put specifics below, but I bought 1,000 of those. I use those for all of my jackets, individual jackets. And they work perfect size for my folded. I also do them for adult t-shirts. I can slide those in there, and they just give a nice professional appearance. And then this time I also bought that same exact bag, but in a bigger size for the bulkier items, or when I have multiple items going in the same bag. So those are the best price I've personally found. It's a little bit cheaper for me to buy these in bulk from Pack and Ship, even paying shipping, than it is to buy smaller quantities from Amazon. I also use Pack and Ship for my poly mailers. I did not need to order any this time, but I buy the really large ones in like this generic marble print. I like, for my nurse shop, I like something a little bit more generic because I do sell men's and unisex items, so I try not to go anything too feminine. And then I also keep several prints in stock from there. I do these balloon ones for birthday shirts. I currently have sharks. Now these I only order in packs of 100, usually the specialty prints, because I change them seasonally. So for the summer right now, I have like underwater sea for boys, and let's see, pink watermelons for girls if they're non-birthday items. I can also slip regular t-shirts in here as well if I don't want to use my big packaging or flat rate type mailing through the post office. So the next 2 items that I've purchased, I've actually had for a while. I just haven't gotten out of the packaging yet. I haven't taken the time to do so. I made a recent trip to IKEA. It's about 2.5 to 3 hours from where I live. So don't get to go very often. And unfortunately, a lot of the stuff I was looking at was out of stock. I did look before we went, but we wanted to go anyways and look around. So one of the things I got was this magnetic little bar. And they market it like with kitchen stuff to put like your knives and stuff on in your kitchen. But I think I'm going to mount this somewhere up here on my wall and put my scissors on it to keep track of. Or maybe just here on my counter so I can keep my scissors in one's place. Hopefully that'll help me keep track of them. Doubt it. And then the next thing I got was 3 of these special pegboards. I got them in white. Initially, I was thinking about using these to build like a thread rack, but I don't really like the hardware that goes with these for my thread. So what I think I'm going to do is I think I'm going to mount these on the wall in between like my machines and my desk area, so I can hang up all sorts of different supplies and things, especially things on my desk, things that just have a tendency to sit on the counter. Unfortunately, when I was there, they were almost completely sold out of all the accessories for this. So I did go ahead and get the pegboards while I was there, since they would be expensive to ship because they're bigger. And then I'm going to go ahead and order the accessories online. It looked like they were in stock. Some of them were in stock online to purchase, since those will be cheaper to ship with being smaller. So I'm going to go ahead and get these mounted hopefully soon on my wall. I'll even let you guys know how I like them. They seem pretty sturdy. They were relatively inexpensive, and I went ahead and bought 3 of these. Like I said, I just need to get the accessories to go with them still. So I hope you guys liked today's small haul video. Please let me know down below what you'd like to see more of, or what was your favorite item in the video. I'll see you guys next time.